A new effort is underway to help victims of violent crimes in Indiana.
Call 6 Investigates has found that oftentimes victims are left in the dark when it comes to their criminal case. Our Kara Kenny joins us now with a plan in the works to change that.
Every day in our state, people are the victims of crimes, domestic violence, battery, sexual assault. But it's once those victims enter the criminal justice system, advocates say they're victimized all over again. And some say that needs to change. The Indiana Coalition for Crime Victims' Rights is a group of advocates, attorneys, social workers, and survivors. Lael Hill is the founder.
We all come together to really send a message to victims in the state of Indiana that we hear you, we care about you, and we're going to fight for your rights in criminal court.
Say you're the victim of a crime. Your perpetrator is charged. You go to court and you're told the prosecutor will represent your best interests.
Problem is when victims ask if they should have an attorney represent them, they're often told that they don't need an attorney, that the prosecutor will represent them. That's not accurate and not factual, and we're trying to educate the community that, yes, you do need an attorney, and hopefully we can provide you one free of charge.
Some counties have victim advocates that work alongside police and prosecutors, but many parts of our state do not have victim advocates. The coalition is working on a way to get crime victims a card with their rights, like the right to confer with the prosecutor, the right to be notified of hearings, the right to give a victim impact statement.
As oftentimes we're seeing that victims are not given their rights and they do not know what they are.
Allie Austin works with survivors of sexual assault and says the confusion of the criminal justice system often re-victimizes survivors.
At least for the people that I work with, it kind of just, it leaves them powerless. I would like to have a clear understanding of how else that I can help empower them. So that's why I'm here, and I am excited to hopefully have Families First being involved with this work, because this is something that we're passionate about.
The group says they do not need a change in state law. They'll focus on educating anyone and everyone who touches a case on how they can better help victims. 16 states currently have victim rights attorneys. This group wants Indiana to be the 17th state to do so. Kara Kenny, RTV6.